हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होम्योपैथिक एमसीक्यू में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम मटेरिया मेडिका एमसीक्यू सेकंड पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हिज कंट्रीब्यूशन इज मोर ऑन रिलेशनशिप ऑफ रेमेडीज। ए डॉक्टर गिब्सन मिलर, बी डॉक्टर जेटी केंट, सी डॉक्टर विलियम बोरी, डी डॉक्टर नैस। आंसर इज ए Dr. Gibson Miller. Next, which of the following feature is common to aloe, soranum, rumex and sulfur? A. Headache aggravate in winter. B. Itching of the skin aggravate from cold, ameliorate by warmth. C. Early morning diarrhea, driving the patient out of bed. D. When passing flatus, sensation as if stool would pass with it. Answer is C. Early morning diarrhea, driving the patient out of bed. Next, colchicum patient complains of the following type of urine. A. Turbid. B. Dark color inky. C. Milky white. D. Bloody offensive. Answer is B. Dark color inky. Next, mercurius is antidoted by A. Auromate, B. Hypersulf, C. Acid nitric, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Next, intermittent flow of urine, great difficulty in passing urine, urine flows, stops and flow again from prostate and uterine affection is one of the feature of A. conium, B. Barbaris vulgaris, C. epismale, D. subulcerulata. Answer is A. conium. Next, coryza ending in diarrhea is found in A. pothos, B. Allium cepa, C. Silesia, D. selenium. Answer is D. Selenium. Next, sciatica pain worse standing and resting on the floor is found in A. rustox, B. causticum, C. valeriana, D. colocynth. Answer is C. valeriana. Next, according to Dr. S.C. Allen, when nux vomica and sulfur improves but fails to cure piles, which of the following drug is useful? A. soranum, B. aesculus, C. acid nitric, D. retania. Answer is B. aesculus. Next, complaints of imaginary odor before the nose as of hearing of musk is a symptom of A. agnus castus, B. caladium, C. platina, D. calibichrome. Answer is A. agnus castus. Next, violent stitches in upper left chest below the scapula extending to neck is found in A. phyto, B. sepia, C. sulfur, D. pulsatilla. Answer is C. sulfur. तो दोस्तों, आज वीडियो में बस इतना ही। आपको हमारा वीडियो कैसा लगा ये हमें नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा और हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। नमस्कार दोस्तों।